Okay, as usual, we'll record video just in case. Here he is. No, this looks encouraging. Hello.
Hello, morning sir.
You alright?
Yes, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Can I put him? Yeah, awesome.
Yeah.
I'm going to take his harness off because it's a bit more comfortable then.
Oh, okay. He's
Alright.
a good boy, no?
Ah, he's a very good boy. In you come, in you come. Good boys. Down you go, down you go, down. That's it. I'm going to put my rucksack in the back and then I'll come and sit behind
okay.
you. Is that all right?
You need a help? Or?
No, no, all right
Okay,
so
okay.
far, thanks. Let's just stay down. No, forget my phone, that's it. Good boy, Usher. Usher, down you go. That's it. Plenty of room here for you, Usher dog. Thank you.
Yeah, big car then.